Alright, this is Ben with Hammock Gurus, and today I'm going to show you how to hang up a hammock between two trees using two different, very easy, very fast rope knots. So we got our hammock, our rope, one end of the rope, just have a simple bowline knot. Just tie that around the tree, just like that. You can grab the end of our hammock, and we're going to use a becket hitch for this. You just come up from the bottom, adjust it until it's about the right height, make a loop, and then grab the other side of the rope, bring it through like this, and cinch it down. And this is super strong, holds 300 pounds or more. If you're really worried about it, you want to make it even a little stronger, you can start to undo the loop and then bring the working end through one more time and then cinch it down all the way, and that's it. And basically you just do that on both sides of the hammock, and it holds really well, super strong, really easy, and super easy to undo as well. So that's it. Alright guys, so we got one side of our hammock attached with a becket hitch. The other side we're going to do something even simpler. For this you just need a straight rope, put it in half, bring it around the tree like this, and just run it through, make a loop. That's it. Grab your hammock, and if you got the eye of the hammock, then one of the ropes ends is going to go up from the bottom, and the other end is going to go from the top down. And that's important. Once you got that, you can just adjust the hammock until it's the right height, and then you just do a simple overhand knot like that. And that, believe it or not, is super strong enough to hold. If you're really worried about it, you can always tie another overhand knot, maybe with a quick loop so that it's easier to untie. And that's it. And again, super easy to undo. Just pull that, break this, and it's done. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and please check us out at hammockgurus.com for some really great how-to guides, buying guides, and reviews of some of the best hammocks out there. So thanks guys, and get hammocking.